Would you rather 50 hardest choice ever? Are you ready for the challenge? Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Rooster channel for more exciting quizzes. First questions: embrace change or stick to tradition? Nice choice. Would you rather focus on the journey, focus on the destination? Would you rather lead the group or follow the leader? Would you rather work hard or work smart? Nice. Would you rather speak your mind or keep it to yourself? Save money or spend freely? Great choice. Would you rather plan everything or go with the flow? Yes. Would you rather trust your intuition or trust the facts? Great. Would you rather seek adventures or seek stability? Next one, value logic or value emotion? Would you rather compete to win or collaborate to grow? Prioritize family or prioritize career? Nice choice. Would you rather travel the world or stay close to home? Would you rather innovate something new or perfect something old? Great. Be honest or be kind? Take risk or play it safe? Would you rather lead a simple life or lead a luxury life? Invest in experiences or invest in possession? Would you rather focus on the future or live in the moment? Would you rather work solo or work in a team? Great. Pursue knowledge or pursue happiness? Follow the rules or challenge the rules? Forgive and forget or hold on the lesson? Would you rather be a night owl or be an early bird? Save a life or create a life? Would you rather focus on quality or focus on quantity? Build a legacy or live for today? Nice. Would you rather share your story or keep your story private? Prioritize health or prioritize wealth? Seek love or seek success? Would you rather control your destiny or go with fate? Confront conflict or avoid conflict? Yes. Explore the unknown or master the familiar? Nice. Would you rather focus on inner peace or focus on outer success? Take the lead or from support the background? Nice. Would you rather live for others or live for yourself? Would you rather take the shortcut or take the scenic route? Nice. Be independent or rely on your community? Seek justice or seek mercy? Would you rather keep learning or teach what you know? Nice choice. Would you rather create art or appreciate art? Nice. Stay in your comfort zone or stay outside your comfort zone? Yes. Fight for what's right or let things go? Nice. Would you rather follow your heart or follow your head? Take control or let's go? Would you rather listen to understand or talk to express? Focus on yourself or focus on others? Great choice. Be patient or be persistent? Nice. Would you rather seek balance or seek excellence? Would you rather make a big impact or make a quiet difference?